Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching display basics. This eliminates obvious mismatches. Open Geometry Dash, set resolution to your monitor's native size, and choose full screen or borderless window. I prefer borderless for quick testing. Then check your OS display settings and confirm the refresh rate, e.g., 60, 75, or 144 Hz. Once done, turn off in-game VSync and any FPS cap, so you can identify whether tearing persists before applying fixes. Next, address the GPU layer because that's often the culprit. Update your graphics drivers with a clean install. Drivers can silently fix tearing. Open your GPU control panel and enable Adaptive Sync or Global VSync. NVIDIA users can try Fast Sync, while AMD users enable Enhanced Sync. If Adaptive Sync isn't an option, force triple buffering and set a frame limiter, for example 60 FPS, so frames and refresh align. Make adjustments one at a time and test after each change. You finish by validating stability and handling edge cases. Test levels with motion-heavy sections while toggling borderless versus exclusive full screen and different sync modes. If tearing continues, set a hard frame cap equal to your monitor refresh rate, for example 60 FPS, and retest. Should problems remain, restart the PC and reinstall drivers. Also inspect cables. Use DisplayPort over HDMI when possible, and swap GPU ports. If nothing works, try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.